Hello class, my name is Juan Vera and my presentation today is about Yellowstone, the supervolcano. Alright, so let's begin. Alright, so the location of Yellowstone. Yellowstone is located within the state of Wyoming at Yellowstone National Park. So you can see on the map here that on the top left of Wyoming, it is that is Yellowstone. This on the next picture you can see that how Yellowstone the volcano looks like. Alright, so the way Yellowstone was formed, it was formed 600,000 years ago where the hotspot pushed a large lump of magma toward the Earth's surface. So the way I see it is to give it like a pimple where underneath it's been there for a very, very long time. It could pop, but it hasn't popped in over thousands of years. What type of volcano is Yellowstone? Yellowstone is a supervolcano. So what a supervolcano is that it's an unusual volcano having the potential to erupt with major effects on the global climate and ecosystem. So a supervolcano is just a volcano underneath all this land that has the potential to erupt but hasn't erupted. Sorry. The type of eruption Yellowstone could have is that it hasn't erupted in a long time, but it will spread a huge gas that could spread around Wyoming at a very fast rate. So you see on this picture that Wyoming is gone on the map, and then the ash of the volcano, how much it could spread. So like 50% of the volcano of the United States is gone because of the eruption of Yellowstone. What type of hazard is Yellowstone? The type of hazard Yellowstone will do is that it could spread thousands of miles across the United States, damaging everything in its path. The type of gases it contains is carbon dioxide, neon, and helium. Has Yellowstone erupted? No, it hasn't erupted. There hasn't been an eruption at Yellowstone in a long time. It happened over 600,000 years ago. There has been little earthquakes, but they're not sudden as the big eruption from 600,000 years ago. How is Yellowstone being monitored? So the way Yellowstone is being monitored, they put a super smart computer that is linked with GPS near the mountains of Yellowstone Park, and if something were to happen, Yellowstone could the technology that's there could link with the computers that could we could get information fast from these computers linked to GPS. And this is my works cited.